Effective communication prepared. Arvin R. Saliva, LPT Kalbayog City Division. Writing personal narratives, journal entries, or digital reflections in communicative strategies. Objectives at the end of the lesson. Students are expected to 1. Define personal communication. 2. Identify journal types. 3. Write a journal reflecting learning and experiences and goal setting. 4. Communicative strategies. And 5. Self-talk and internal dialogue in daily life. Thoughts behind the words. Present words or phrases to the class. Ask students to share their thoughts and insights about each word or phrase. Examples. 1. Self-talk. 2. Reflection. 3. Decision-making. Pick a topic talk place. Slips of paper with keywords or topics from previous lessons in a bowl. Ask each student to pick one word from the bowl. After picking, they must share what they have learned about the topic written on the slip. Students will participate in a reflective activity to share their personal experiences from junior high school. Instructions. On a quarter sheet of paper, thoughtfully complete the following sentence. In the past years of junior high school, I struggled with 𝖪𝒪, but through it all I've learned that I am /. 1. Students may write about an academic, personal, or emotional struggle. 2. Include a lesson you've learned or a trait you've developed, e.g., stronger, more patient, braver. Processing questions. 1. What helped you get through those struggles? 2. What part of yourself are you proud of today? 3. Amassed struggles shape the way you face challenges now. Intrapersonal communication. The communication that happens within yourself, your inner thoughts, self-talk, and mental processes. It's how you process your emotions, make decisions, reflect on experiences, and motivate yourself. Intrapersonal communication. Intrapersonal communication is the act of communicating with oneself, including internal dialogue, reflection, self-analysis, and emotional processing. Forms of intrapersonal communication. 1. Self-talk, your inner voice that comments, questions, or encourages you. 2. Reflection, about your thoughts, feelings, or past experiences. 3. Decision-making, weighing options and silently reasoning with yourself before making a choice. Real-life examples of intrapersonal communication. 1. Deciding whether to run as a student government officer or just stay as a regular student. 2. Feeling angry after an argument and trying to understand why. 3. Practicing a speech in your head or thinking through how to answer potential questions. 4. Witnessing a classmate doing something wrong and deciding whether to report it. 5. Map out your academic goals for the next 6 months. Guide questions is 1. How is intrapersonal communication being achieved? What are the different forms of intrapersonal communication? How important is self-talk to you? How does one improve intrapersonal communication? Journaling is a tool for personal growth. It boosts creativity and enhances the processing of thoughts and feelings that may lead to tracking life's goals and progress. Types of journals. 1. Reflective journal. 2. Gratitude journal. 3. Dream journal. 4. Art journal. 5. Travel journal. 6. Food journal. Health and wellness journal. 1. Reflective journal is a tool for self-reflection that allows individuals to process experiences, thoughts, and feelings. It is commonly used in education, professional development, and personal growth. The focus is not just on recording events, but on analyzing and understanding their meaning and impact. 2. Gratitude journal is a daily or regular record where a person writes down things they are thankful for. It shifts focus from what's lacking to what's present and positive in life. 3. Dream journal. A dream journal is used to write down dreams right after waking up. Over time, it helps uncover patterns, emotions, or messages the subconscious might be communicating. 4. Art journal. Blends visuals and writing, offering a free creative space for self-expression. It can include sketches, doodles, collages, poetry, and reflective notes. 5. Travel journal is a record of experiences, emotions, and observations during travels. It captures not just where a person went, but what they felt, learned, and discovered. 6. Food journal helps individuals keep track of everything they eat and drink. Often it also includes moods, hunger levels, or physical symptoms related to eating habits. 7. Health and wellness journal is used to track physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It can include daily logs of exercise, sleep, mood, symptoms, and self-care practices. Communicative strategies. 1. Nomination. 2. Restriction. 3. Turn-taking. 4. Topic control. 5. Topic shifting. 6. Repair. 7. Termination. 1. Nomination. A communicative strategy used to start or introduce a topic in a conversation. Purpose. It signals the beginning of a conversation or a new subject. It invites others to contribute. Often used in meetings, discussions, or interviews. Examples. Let's talk about the project deadline. I'd like to share something about our trip last weekend. 2. Restriction. A strategy that limits what the participants can say or how they should respond. Purpose. To maintain control and direction in a conversation. Examples. Answer in one sentence only. State only your position. Agree or disagree. 3. Turn-taking, a strategy used to know when to speak and when to listen. Purpose. To give each participant a fair chance to speak. Examples. What do you think, Mark? Pausing after your point to give others a chance to speak. Topic control. A strategy used to maintain focus on the current topic. Purpose. To avoid going off topic and to ensure depth in discussion. Examples. Let's not get sidetracked, we're discussing the budget. That's interesting, but can we go back to the lesson? Topic shifting. A strategy used to introduce a new topic smoothly. Purpose. To keep the conversation flowing and relevant. Transitions are often subtle and polite, useful in casual talks or interviews to keep things engaging. Examples. By the way, have you seen the new movie? That reminds me, we still need to plan for next week. A strategy used to fix communication breakdowns like errors, misunderstandings, or incorrect information. Purpose. To clarify and maintain mutual understanding. Can be self-initiated. Sorry, I meant 7 p.m., not 6 p.m. Or other-initiated. Did you mean to say? Includes asking for clarification or correcting grammar. Examples. Let me rephrase that. Oops, I mispronounced that word. It should be hierarchy. 7. Termination. A strategy used to close a conversation properly. Purpose. To end a conversation respectfully and smoothly. It can be verbal or nonverbal, e.g. saying goodbye, packing up. Can include summary, parting statements, or thank yous. Examples. Anyway, I need to get going now. Thanks for the chat. Let's catch up again soon. Activity 1. Which journal fits? The teacher will facilitate a short activity to assess the student's understanding of the different types of journals discussed. In this activity, the teacher will randomly call on students and present a scenario. The selected student must identify the correct type of journal that fits the situation. Which journal fits? Scenario. You visited a local museum, heritage site, or monument as part of a school trip. You saw artifacts, listened to a guide, and learned something surprising about your country's history. Which journal fits? Scenario. You were feeling overwhelmed or upset, and a friend noticed and reached out to check on you even with just a kind message or small gesture. Which journal fits? Scenario. You dreamed of standing on a stage, getting an award, seeing your artwork in a gallery, or getting accepted into your dream college. Which journal fits? Scenario. You submitted an essay you worked hard on, but received lower marks than expected along with detailed feedback. You felt disappointed at first, but later reviewed the feedback carefully. Which journal fits scenario? You experienced a meaningful moment, a great trip, a holiday, or a meaningful conversation that you want to remember. Create a visual memory journal page using pictures, objects like ticket stubs, or drawings to capture the feeling and details of that moment. Which journal fits? Scenario: you were overwhelmed during exam week and noticed your stress levels rising. You tried breathing exercises, taking breaks, or getting more sleep. Which journal fits? Scenario: you tried sushi, kimchi, or another food you had never eaten before, either at a restaurant or from a friend's lunchbox. Reflective question: of the different types of journals, e.g. gratitude, reflective, travel, dream, art, food, which one best fits your current needs and why? Letter to my inner self. Students will write a letter to their inner self or future self, expressing goals, struggles, or encouragement. In this activity, the student will demonstrate his/her knowledge and skill in journaling, thereby building inner dialogue, motivation, and self-compassion. Second performance task: voices that matter, social and cultural issues. Instructions: students will reflect on and express their thoughts regarding relevant cultural or social issues that affect their lives. Students are to choose one topic from the list below and write a 100-word comment expressing their opinion, personal experience, and emotional insight about the issue. Second performance task: voices that matter, social and cultural issues. They must post their comment under the Week 2 video lesson uploaded on their teacher's YouTube account. Comments should reflect clarity of opinion and emotion, while also applying online safety strategies, such as 1. Avoiding oversharing of personal information. 2. Using respectful and responsible language. 3. Engaging in safe and meaningful online communication. Choose one of the following contextualized topics. 1. Religious practices and respect. Focus: religious diversity and freedom, respecting different beliefs. Number 2. Language use and bias. Number focus: accent bias, language discrimination, promoting inclusive classroom language. 3. Dress code and cultural attire. Focus: cultural attire and identity, dress code versus cultural expression, stereotyping and ignorance. Number 4. Cyberbullying on social media. Focus: cyberbullying, mental health and digital responsibility, online safety. 5. Gender discrimination in school activities. Focus: gender stereotypes and inequality, discrimination in leadership, empowerment and respect. 6. Environmental neglect in the community. Focus: environmental degradation, community responsibility, youth involvement in sustainability. Note: students must secure a screenshot of their reflection and paste it in their notebooks as proof that they have submitted their performance task. Thank you for listening, and God bless.